All right, hi guys, this is Better from Slider. So we explained already how to use the website. We have another ordering platform which you can use. It's fully dedicated just for order placement, all right, which is called ordermanager.slider-app.com. So you should have already created your account. You'll be able to log in from here. All right. So here it's fully focused platform for you as a user or as a business to use. All right. It displays more data, more analytics for you here, more than the website itself. So it shows all your summary. For example, the total number of orders. It shows how much payout value you have as in COD, completed amounts. These were transferred to your bank account. Available balance. This is the top wallet which can be used for order placements, and it shows all your previous or last orders. All right, so the moment you select any order, it will show more details about that order, which stage it was in. Even when you place any order, this is the exact screen that will appear. You'll be able to see more information about the driver, his location. You can track it on the screen, and you'll be able to see like in which stage or screen he's in. All right, this is the drop-off location, this is the pickup location. For example, this was a COD order. This is in terms of the dashboard. You're also able to export data. For example, the total number of deliveries done during a certain time frame. You'll just select if you want it in CSV or PDF, and you'll export the data. You'll get it downloaded in your laptop. Right, so this is the order. This is my order screen. You'll be able to see all the information here, same as the website. Any order you place, it will appear as in progress. All right, next you'll see once an order is completed, you'll be able to see the order number, details about the order. You have an order again button which you'll be able to select. All right, to place the order directly, it will reach the payment screen. All right, which is the last screen. So if this is an order that's like for example repetitive, every day you need to do it, so you can just press on reorder. Small box means a bike will come. Medium box means a car will come to pick up your order for a bit bigger items. All right, if you want to schedule the order, you can schedule it. For example, let's say August 18th, I want the driver to pick my order up at 7:54 exactly. If I need the order to be picked up immediately directly, I don't need to select any time. I'll just proceed to next steps, which is pay by balance or screen or add card, saved card, and so on. All right. Next, other than this, is my balance screen, which shows the available balance. This is the topped up balance, which you can use to place the order. All right. This is what appears in your wallet. So for example, I can top up my balance, let's say 200 or 50 or 500 or whatever. I'll be able to top up the balance, and it will, whenever you do the top up, it will show an amount has been credited to your wallet, and you'll be able to use this amount to place the orders instead of using your card every single time. Right? In address book, you're able to add addresses. For example, if you want to save a constantly used address, you'll just select, for example, let's say Delma Mall is something I deliver very often to. Let's say shop 2, second floor, floor 2. And if I press default address, that means this is my always pickup location. All right, but for me this is no need for it. It's just a drop off location. I'll update it as that. And here, if I use the Google code, for example, a plus code, or I have a link from WhatsApp or a Google Map link, I can use it here to allocate the location directly. Okay, once I update, it will directly show here. So next time I place an order, see, this is the primary or setup as default address, and I'm able to select other addresses as well from here, from pickup point, and in addition to from drop off point. Okay, let's say I have an order right now, and I'm in the I selected the pickup location. Let's say this is my drop off location, Barjil Medical Center, floor 2. I select any number of the receiver. Right, this is very important because the driver will be calling this number. If this is a COD amount, meaning that the driver needs to collect an amount from the receiver, you can add any COD amount from here. If there is any order reference number for you to be able to identify which order is this, you can add the order reference number here as well. All right, and you'll be able to proceed. Next, you'll just select small car, medium, small box, which is bike, medium box, which is car. I'll select edit or proceed directly. In case I have two drop-offs, let's say after Barjil Medical Center, he needs to go to, for example, Al Wahda Mall. All right, I'll be able to select a second drop-off. I'll input the details here, a phone number, and I'll be able to proceed after that. So for bulk orders, which means one pickup and two drop-offs, one pickup, this is drop off one, drop off two, you can only select a medium car, which is a medium box, which means a car. Okay. Other than this, there is the invoice list. If there is any invoicing agreement, you can check it out from here. Payment settings, you can add saved card here. You have also the auto recharge option. So for example, when the balance goes below any amount, for example, let's say 100 dirhams, you can auto recharge, for example, by let's say 2000. So whenever your balance drops below 100, it will auto directly top you up back to 2000. You generally use this when you have a lot of orders ongoing, you don't want to stop operations. Okay, so directly when the balance goes below any specific amount, it auto recharges, so your shop ensures that they're able to continue placing orders. Okay. You have another option, which is balance notification, which means that whenever which means that whenever you want, you can put a certain a certain limit, for example 150 or 200, and whenever the top up balance reaches this amount, you will receive a notification email that your balance has dropped to this amount. You can top up if you want. All right. Payouts here, these are all the payouts that are collected. This is the COD amounts that the drivers collect from your customers. At any time, you can request a payout, for example, 212 dirhams, and it will be sent out to your bank account within 48 hours. This is a chat option. You'll be able to talk with the drivers here whenever you have an ongoing order. And this is just an account setting. It shows you more details about your account. The moment you request, cash on delivery order, right? The balance will be added to your payouts. The moment you request a payout, you need to fill up your bank account, so the bank account settings, so we can transfer the money to your IBAN number. All right, and generally this sums up the entire flow for the order manager.